What is up guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen Journal, and today we are in Hooge Mierde, and this is in North-brabant in the Netherlands, and we are now at the Zwartven, and not the one in Gestel, but this is the one at Hooge Mierde. Take a look at this guys, it's a really beautiful place, so I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I've been let down, backstabbed so many times, but I know to run. Don't make things right. Let's try to unite. Let's try.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.